everyone. Welcome to this very special presentation. I'm not sure where in the world you're watching, so good morning or good afternoon or good evening, good night from wherever you are around the world. On behalf of everyone here at the Easiest System Ever team, we are so glad that you are here with us today. So I'm going to honor your time and I'm going to jump right into things. But let me say this, if you want your computer to do what this computer on the screen is doing, then congratulations, you are in the right place at the right time. So let's jump right into today's presentation. And real quick, 3 important things before we get started. Number 1, just let me know if you can hear me and see me, because that's probably the most important thing. I'll wait for you guys in the chat. And yep, okay, awesome. There we go. You can hear and see coming through loud and clear. Awesome. So excited. Very cool. Awesome. Well, we're glad you're with us. Glad you all can hear me and see me. That was the first thing. Let's jump to the second thing, and that is this. This is very important. The testimonials that you are going to see on today's presentation are real, and they're not a guarantee of income. So legally, as you guys can see here, I had to hire my super expensive lawyer, and he's going to make me read this earnings and income disclaimer. While all case studies and testimonials and screenshots you'll see are from real people, that is not a guarantee that you'll make any specific amount of money. Specific results will vary. Ultimately, your success is up to you. That's why it's called Your Success. Duh. Real quick, just let me know in the chat if you are good with this disclaimer and that you understand that this is real. This is a real business. And this is something. Okay, cool. You guys are good to go. You guys are excited. I love this. All right. Third thing, real quick, as we're getting started. We cannot do this business for everyone, and let me explain what I mean by that. This is very important, and I'm telling you this now because what has happened in the past is that when people hear and understand this and they understand the exclusivity, then they get mad at me, and they're like, why didn't you tell me that before? So let me just go ahead and just tell you guys what's going on here. So for the system you're about to discover, our team of experts actually do all of the initial setup and system building for you. And because of this, we are extremely picky about who we work with. And so just a fair warning that this can't be for everyone. Like, if 100 people wanted to join this system today, we physically could not do it. All right, it's not what this system is. This is exclusive. It is done for you, and so we're really, really picky. So that's just let you know we cannot do this for everyone. But I just wanted to be upfront about that. So are we all clear on those 3 things? Are we all good to go? Are we all excited? Excellent. So let's jump into this. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this special presentation about the easiest system ever, the #1 done for you online home business. My name is Devon.